Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem Target gift card on app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem Target gift card on Target app, first what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your Target app, and if it's not downloaded, simply head over to the App Store, then simply download the Target app. Now once it's downloaded, simply open up the app and make sure you are signed in into your Target account. Then once logged in or signed in, simply tap on the My Target option on the bottom right part of your screen. Then once that's done, scroll down and you'll find an option that says My Wallet or Wallet. Simply select that, and then you'll find an option that says Add a gift card. Simply tap on that. Now enter the gift card details. Physical gift cards often have scratch the back to reveal the card number and access code. Enter the both numbers in the app, and digital card often have copy the card number and access code from your email. Simply paste them in the app. Then once that's done, tap on Save or Add, and the gift card is now in your Target wallet and balance will automatically apply at checkout. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.